Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in Amazon on laptop or PC. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon is a multinational technology company focusing on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It's a major player in online retail and cloud services with a vast product range and global presence. Originally an online bookseller, it has expanded into a diverse range of business, including hardware like the Kindle and Echo devices and services like Amazon Web Service. So, can you log in or use Amazon on your laptop or PC? Of course, how to do it? It's very simple. So, first of all, you can just open your Chrome or Google on your PC or laptop and you can type Amazon. Here, you can choose on, click on Amazon. Now, here's the Amazon. You want to log in. There is an option sign in. You can just click on that. You can enter your mobile number or your email. I will log in with my email. Click on continue. Sorry. Click on continue. Enter your password. I will verify my account first. Now we can click on submit code. So now you have logged into your Amazon account. It's very simple, right? And here you can start shopping. You can click on your cart to see what item that you save on your cart. You can check your returns and orders. Here you can check the today's deals in Amazon. It's very simple, right? So that is how to log in into Amazon on laptop or PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.